Hey guys, we have another easy and beginner-friendly way you can earn some money on the side. It only involves a few steps. It's free to start. It can be done using either a laptop or a mobile phone, and it's available for users all over the world. This can be done by being present on social media, doing things like watching videos, liking, tweeting, retweeting, and following people. If you're interested, stick around for the entire video. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. So let's head on over to the website we'll be talking about today, and it's called followfast.com. From its name, you can probably tell that on this website you'll be made to perform certain tasks on social media that you can earn from. So in this video, we'll talk about what those tasks are, what they entail, and how you can make money from them. Follow Fast has actually been around for a while now, but many people still seem to be a little confused about how it works. So it's essentially a GPT or get paid to do platform. And when you check its website, it says earn money liking pages and advertise your own page. So besides being a GPT platform, it's also a medium that's being used for traffic exchange or social media exchange, and you can earn by participating in certain tasks that you do on social media specifically by following these simple steps. The first step would be to create a free Follow Fast account. The second step would be to view pages to earn points. And if you're wondering which pages you'll need to view, well, these would be different social media platforms, just like I mentioned earlier. You probably have accounts for all of these already, but if you don't, they're all free to join too. So there's Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, SoundCloud, Reddit, etc. Okay, and for step 3, you can use your points to advertise, or as I'll show you later, you can choose to encash your points too. So let's go ahead and work on step 1 together. Click on the join button and then proceed by entering your name, email address, password, location, and CAPTCHA. From there, you can start viewing tasks that you can perform. Just make sure you confirm your email address because it's a required step for you to be able to get paid or to cash out. After completing your registration, then you can log in and start earning money right away. So let's head on over to Follow Fast so I can show you just how people like yourself can earn a few quick bucks. To start, you simply go to Add Page or Site on the upper left-hand part of the page over here. And while you can earn from all of these different sites, I'm going to be focusing on YouTube today because I have a trick that will allow you to earn more points and therefore earn more money easily. So let's click YouTube Plays right here, and you'll automatically be directed to videos such as this one. The key to earning here is watching the most number of videos you can. Each is equivalent to a certain number of points. Most of the videos will be longer than 35 seconds, but you will notice that after it plays for that time, the points will already be credited to your account, like so. Because this is on YouTube, there will be videos that you enjoy and videos that you probably won't like so much, and that's fine. You can simply refresh and then get access to more videos so you can earn more too. I personally think that it's great that you don't even have to finish a video to earn money. Simply watch 35 seconds of something that you enjoy and boom, that's credit in your e-wallet. Now for the trick that I use on this website. You can actually open several videos across multiple tabs and play them all simultaneously. This makes earning easier and the time that you spend so much less. Another trick that I have is speeding up the video. As you know, you can actually choose the video playback speed on YouTube so that you can complete it in less than 35 seconds and still earn the same number of points. So here's how you do that. Click on Settings and then Playback Speed, and then you choose what you prefer. I personally use number 2 because it's the fastest setting and it allows me to earn much more than I would if I were to just watch the video at normal speed. As you do this, you'll notice that the points offered per video are not equal. There are some videos that will give you more points than others, and that's just the way it works. It's the same for the other tasks. Should you choose to do some of them on other social media platforms, the points will differ, and you can simply select which ones you feel will be worth your time and effort in terms of the payout. So there's a payout tab over here, and let's check the proof of payments made and find out how much people are actually making from this gig. So you'll see over here from these flags that people from all over the world are actually cashing out and earning a few bucks at a time. It's true that the earnings you can see here aren't all that impressive, but then again, you can just keep doing this when you're free and monetize your available time instead of just sitting around watching videos anyway. There are also different payment methods like PayPal and Bitcoin that you can cash out from, so that makes it really convenient. And because we're all about making money here, let me give you one more bonus tip for this website. And that would be to access the daily bonus tab, where they offer daily bonus points for doing what you're already doing on their website anyway. These bonuses are available every single day, so I do recommend that you check this tab out each time you visit FollowFast to maximize your income potential. With that said, I do hope that you take action and try this out today so you can get started making money online already. Remember that tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. If you enjoyed today's content and found any value in it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all of that other good stuff because it really does support our channel. We also have a lot more content that you can binge watch, so let me leave links down for you so you can do that easily after watching this video. Alrighty then, take care and I'll see you again next time.